In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly edit a survey in SurveyMonkey, whether you're making tweaks before it's live or modifying it after it's gone public. Knowing how to effectively edit your surveys ensures you can refine questions, add crucial details, and improve the overall response rate. So, let's dive right in and cover everything you need to know about editing surveys within SurveyMonkey. First, let's begin with accessing your survey for editing. From your SurveyMonkey homepage or from the My Surveys section, locate the survey you wish to edit. If you already have a portfolio of surveys, be sure to identify the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've found it, click on the three dots located next to your chosen survey. Here, you'll see an option to choose Design Survey. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can directly open the survey and select the Design Survey tab from there. This step brings you to the central hub where all the magic happens, meaning all edits and modifications will be conducted here. Now that we're within the Design Survey section, the first thing you're likely to want to do is add new questions. You can conveniently do this by clicking on the plus New Question button. SurveyMonkey provides a range of question types that you can either select or simply drag and drop into your survey. Each question type serves a different purpose, so take a moment to consider what best suits your survey's goal in terms of gathering information. If you need to make changes to existing questions, it's as simple as clicking on them directly. With each click, you're able to adjust text, modify answer choices, set validation rules, and implement logic. This level of customization is especially useful for ensuring your questions are clear and effective in capturing the right data. There may be times when switching question types is necessary. If you've not yet collected responses or haven't applied specific logic, you can easily switch the question types using the drop-down menu provided. However, keep in mind that once responses have been collected, changing the question type is no longer an option, as it could disrupt your data integrity. Managing the answer options is also critical. You have the flexibility to add, hide, or delete choices within your questions. It's worth noting that if a question already has responses, you'll be limited to hiding rather than deleting any options to maintain the data's validity. Lastly, revisiting the survey title might be necessary. By hovering over and clicking Edit, you can change the title to better reflect any content changes. Plus, you can add formatting such as bold or italics to make it more visually appealing. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to keep your surveys up to date and as effective as possible. This concludes our tutorial on editing surveys with SurveyMonkey. Thank you for watching, and happy surveying!